Have a good day to all. Happy morning, kids. Successfully we have completed our term 1. We are in term 2. Am I correct, children? We have started our term 2 classes. In that, in math, we are going to see the first chapter is multiplication. All of you say loudly, multiplication. Multiplication. All of you say loudly, multiplication. Why ma'am is saying that say loudly? Because it's a new word, new term for us. As you are in grade 2, it's the first time you are listening this multiplication, this word. So I keep on insisting this. Say loudly this word, multiplication. Once again, children, multiplication. Okay, super children. What does mean by multiplication? Repeated addition, nothing but. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. What is this? Repeated addition. What does mean by repeated addition? Adding the same number repeatedly. Repeatedly means again and again. We are adding the same number again and again. Say example here, I have written 5 plus 5 plus 5. How many 5s I have written here? 3 5s. Am I correct, children? So here I am adding the number 5 again and again. This is nothing but repeated. Repeatedly I am adding the number. This is called repeated addition. What is this? Repeated addition. Say loudly, children. Repeated addition. So repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. Repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. What is the sign? What is the symbol we are going to use for multiplication? You know very well, for addition we use plus symbol. Subtraction, minus symbol. What is the symbol we are going to use for multiplication? That is nothing but into. Simply we can say x. Am I correct, children? Into symbol we have to use for multiplication. Okay, here, see the first example. I have given a number 5 plus 5 plus 5. Here, this statement, see the statement. Here, what is the operation I have used? I have used plus operation. I have used plus operation. Am I correct? This is called addition statement. This is called addition statement. Now, we are going to try how to make this addition statement as a multiplication statement. We are going to change this into multiplication statement. I have said very clearly, repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. How we can change this addition statement into multiplication statement? First step, we have to count how many times the number is given. How many times? All of you listen. How many times? 1, 2, 3. 3 times I have written the number 5. So, first I have written here 3. For multiplication statement, I have to use multiplication symbol, into symbol. 3 into. Next, what number I have written here? What number I have used here? 5. So, I am writing 5. So, the multiplication statement is 3 into 5. 3 into 5. What does mean? It means 3 times of 5. It means 3 times 5. 3 times 5. For this 3 times 5, we can say 5 table. Am I correct, children? You know tables. 2, 3, 4, 5. All these tables you know. Okay. So 3 5s are. What is the answer? 15. 15 I will get as the answer. When I am adding this 5 plus 5 plus 5, what will be the answer? 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. So the answer won't be changed. The answer will be same. When I am doing the repeated addition as well as when I am doing the multiplication, the answer won't change. The answer will be the same. How you have to read this? 3 times 5. Next sum. 7 plus 7 plus 7. How can I write the multiplication statement? First rule, we have to count how many number of times the number is given. Number of times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. For multiplication statement, I have to use multiplication symbol into what number? 7. 4 times 7. What is that? 4 times 7. So, how we have to convert addition statement into multiplication statement we have seen. Next we will see multiplication on number line. Okay. 6 times 2. They have given the question as 6 times 2. 6 times 2 means I have to jump 6 times. How many times I have to jump? 6 times I have to jump. In each jump I have to skip two numbers. In each jump I have to skip 2 numbers. Shall we? In each step I have to skip two numbers. So I have to start from 0, 0, 1. So 2. 0, 1, 2. Then 1, 2. Okay children, are you understand? Two numbers, or you can say from 0 the next number 1, 2. So second number 1, 2 second number 1, 2 second number. See, I have to put arrow mark also. In which way we are passing, that is also important. Next 1, 2. Why ma'am is saying 2 again? Because 6 times 2, 6 jump I have to count. 1, this is first jump, second jump, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Still how many jump I have to do? One more jump I have to do. So 1, 2. The answer is 12. The answer I got is 12. We can check with this tables also. We can verify this answer with table. Say loudly 2 table. 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12. So my answer is correct. Okay, next we will see some important properties of multiplication. When I am multiplying one number with 0, the answer will be 0. Say example, 7 into 0, the answer is 0. Whatever the bigger number or smaller number, it's not a matter. When I am multiplying a number with a 0, the answer will be 0. Say example, 100 into 0 also 0. Whatever the bigger number, if you are having, it's not a matter. When I am multiplying a number with 0, the answer I will get definitely 0. The next, multiplication by 1. Say example, if I am multiplying a number 8 into 1, what will be the answer? 8 ones are 8. The answer is 8. The same number I will get. Say example, 763 into 1 equal to 763. Same number. So multiplication by 0 is answer will be 0. Multiplication by 1 will be the same answer, same number. Next, order in multiplication. What is meant by this order in multiplication? We know that order in addition. What is that order in addition? 5 plus 4 equal to 9. So 4 plus 5 equal to 9. If I am changing the order, the answer will be same. The answer will be same. The same property here also. 4 into 5. What it means? 4 times 5. What it means? 4 times 5. That means I have to jump 4 times. In each jump, I have to skip 5 numbers. Okay. 4 times 5. What it means? It means 5 times 4. Here I have to do 5 jumps. In each jump, I have to do a skip counting of 4. But the answer, see the answer, 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20. So if I am changing the order, the answer also same. The answer will not change. Am I correct, children? 3 properties. Multiplication by 0 will be the answer 0. Multiplication by 1, the same answer I will get. Order in multiplication, if I am changing the order of multiplication, the answer will be same. The answer won't change. So multiplication means repeated addition. We can easily convert this addition statement into multiplication statement. As well as we can do this multiplication on number line. And then we have seen multiplication properties.